Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw the Minecraft pig. So first let's get started by drawing in the head. So on the top we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes across and over towards the right. Starting back on the left hand side now, we're going to bring this diagonal line down towards the bottom. And then we're going to move across on the right and replicate that, ending that at roughly the same height. Now from here, we're going to close this off by drawing in another diagonal line, bringing that across. From the top corner here, we're going to draw in a small diagonal line coming down. We're going to move underneath now, replicating that, bringing that across, ending that at roughly the same height. And then we're going to close this off on the side, bringing this line all the way down. Now from here on the left-hand side, let's draw this diagonal line further in. And then again, we're going to close this off, stretching this all the way over and then out towards the right. Now in the center for the nose, we're going to draw in a small diagonal line that comes up. And then we'll move across on the right-hand side and replicate that, drawing that at the same size. Now from here on the top, let's close that off. And then moving down, we're going to do the same thing on the bottom. Now on the top and bottom again, we're going to draw in another diagonal line coming out. And then we're going to close that off with a straight line, bringing that down. On the left, let's draw another diagonal line coming in. And then again, we're going to close this off on the bottom, stretching that all the way over. Now on the left, we're going to draw in a square, bringing this over, down, and then across for the nostril. We'll leave a gap in the center, moving across on the right and replicating that. Now let's draw in the eyes. So above the nose on the right, let's draw a straight line coming up. We'll do the same over on the left. Now let's bring this line across on both sides. Dropping down below that, we're going to replicate that again, bringing that line over. And then again on both sides, we're going to draw in another line coming up. Now on the left-hand side, let's draw in a straight line coming down. And then we'll do the same over on the right, bringing that down, ending that at the same height. Now from here, let's close this off on the bottom with a straight line. On the top, we're going to bring this diagonal line out. And then again from here, we're going to bring this all the way across, ending this at the same height. And then now from here, we're just going to bring our straight line directly down towards the bottom. On the top here, let's draw in a rectangle. And then moving down again one more time. Now let's draw on the right leg. So coming over towards the right-hand side, in the middle, we're going to draw a straight line coming down. We're going to step across and replicate that, ending that at the same height. Now from here, let's close this off with a diagonal line. We're going to draw in another straight line coming down, ending that slightly shorter. And then again, we'll close this off with a diagonal line coming over. On the left-hand side, we're going to bring our line up and across. And then to the right, we're going to draw in a rectangle. Now from here, coming over, we're going to draw in another diagonal line coming down in the back. Stepping across, let's replicate that. We'll close this off with a diagonal line. Stepping further in, we're going to bring this diagonal line down on the bottom, ending that at the same height. And then we're going to bring this line straight across. To the left again, we're going to bring this line up and over. And then to the right, drawing in another rectangle. Now let's draw in the left leg. So coming over on the top, let's bring this diagonal line across. Let's do the same thing on the left-hand side. Now from here, let's close this off on the top. We're going to draw in two diagonal lines coming out on the bottom, ending those at the same height. From this corner, we're going to stretch this back in towards our right leg. And then now from here, we're going to close that off with another diagonal line. On the right, bringing this up and across. To the left, another rectangle. Now from here on the inside, we're going to extend this line down, and then stepping over, we're going to replicate that 2 more times. And that is it. That's how you draw a Minecraft pig. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.